Hello students. So through this session we are going to continue with the rhyme schemes. Rhyme schemes, as we had already discussed in the live session, rhyme schemes definitely related to the poems. But actually how to find out the rhyme schemes, that we'll see here in this video. And before that we'll continue with rhyming scheme. We have to know actually that what is rhyme. So here in this video I will give you every detail. So let's start with the video. So first of all we are starting with rhyme. You should be clear with what rhyme actually is. So here I am giving you the definition properly. So what is rhyme? Rhyme is repetition, definitely, of a same sound. I will make you understand it later, but first of all you should note down it in two or more words. In very simple language, actually, rhyme is poem. You must have listened many a time that recite a rhyme, particularly in our small classes, nursery, KG and other also. We used to give them the rhyming words, rhymes to remember and to recite. So rhymes are actually poem. And that is also very clear to you people that in poems, most of the words actually and their sounds, they used to repeat, and same kinds of sounds actually produce when we continue to recite a poem. So here student, I am taking one of the stanza from your syllabus poem only, When I Set Out for Leonese. Just listen. When I set out for Leonese 100 miles away, a rhyme was on the spray, and starlight lit my lonesomeness when I set out for Leonese 100 miles away. So can you find something similar here when I'm just pronouncing the last words here? Definitely few of the words are there, few of the sounds are there which are somewhere sounding alike, like away, spray, again away is there. And that's why these words which are rhyming together, these words actually make the poem musical. And that's why rhyming words and rhyme schemes are very, very important. Now you are clear with actually that what are rhyming words, because this you are doing since your second or third class maybe. But talking about the rhyming scheme, what it will be. So here we'll continue with that only. Well, this is clear to you people that few of the words are sounding alike, but if you will go through from the very first line and the last word of that till the last line and the last word of that, they all are not sounding alike. So definitely in a very first line, the last word is Leonese. So here we can consider it as A. But talking about the next line last word, this is away, and definitely it is not going with Leonese. These are not the rhyming words. So because they are not rhymed and they are totally different from each other, we can't say that this is also A. We'll consider it as B. Now we will move towards the third line. And here we have the last word spray, and definitely away and spray are rhyming words. Because they are rhyming alike, they are sounding alike, so we can keep spray also in B category. Then next one is there. Next line, if you will go with that, that is the fourth one. You will have to go through with whole stanza actually like that only. That's why I had taken this difficult one actually. Other poems are there which don't have any rhyming scheme. Many of the poems are there in your book, but still some poems are there in which you will find a very easy rhyming schemes, many rhyming words. So you will be aware about that. Now we can go with the fourth line. Although this fourth line is ending here, sorry, I don't have space there, so that's why I'm writing that lonesomeness here only. So this is your fourth line, students. And starlight lit my lonesomeness. So here you'll have to just revise again and again that lonesomeness is not rhyming either with Leonese, either with away or spray. It's a somewhere different sound from each one of these. So we'll not keep them in any of these category, but we'll consider is at C. Next one is there. See here. When I set out for Leonese. This is your fifth line. And definitely this one and the very first line having the same sound, even the same word. So definitely we'll keep it in the category A. It is like that only. Now, see this one. This is the last line of the stanza, the first stanza of your poem. And here also we have the word away at the end. Here also, which we have considered B earlier. So these are the families only. Rhyming scheme actually based on particularly sounds only. And in which category you will keep them. It depends on are they sounding alike or you have to make their different family. So here the rhyming scheme of this paragraph will be A, B, B, C, A, B. So this is the rhyming scheme of your first paragraph. So just for the practice students, we are taking one more paragraph from the same poem. This is the last paragraph of that poem. So here also you can see what is the last word of the first line here. That is Leonese. Definitely we'll consider it as A. Next one is with magic in my eyes. It's not going with this, so it will be B. All marked with mute surmise. Here these two words are sounding alike. We'll keep them in the same family. We'll consider it as B only. My radiance rare and fathomless. Fathomless is not going either with the A family or the B. So here we'll consider it as C. When I returned from Leonese, having the same line and same rhyming scheme, A. With magic in my eyes, B. And what does that mean? That last stanza also having the same rhyme scheme as the first one. That is A, B, B, C, A, B. Although it is not necessary that whatever stanzas are given in the poem, they all will have the same rhyming scheme. Definitely this poem is having this rhyming scheme at all. But particularly if any stanza is given to you in exam and you'll have to find the rhyming scheme, you can find that in this way only. So students, as you have asked that you want to confirm about the rhyming schemes, I have made a video over that. So regarding that only, regarding this video, I want to give some homework to you people. And what was the homework? That whatever poems we had decided, that is the schoolboy, the last bargain, the ant and the cricket, you can write the rhyming schemes only of each of the stanzas of those poems. Apart from that, one thing will be there that few poems are there amongst them, those who will not have any rhyme schemes. So that you should know that this is not having any rhyme scheme. When any poem will not have any rhyme scheme, when all the rhyming words will be different. You can't write there. So this was all about this only. So I hope you understood. If still will have any query, so that you can consider yes, you can ask your doubts in your live sessions. This was all about today's video. Thank you.